Hi there! Welcome to the web development tutorial on creating and editing a Google form. If you are watching on youtube.com, you can choose a specific timestamp located in the video description to skip topics in this tutorial. Let's get started. Log into your Marywood Gmail account. Once you are logged in, click the gray grid in the upper right corner of the page. This shows you your Google Apps. Click on the Forms app. The web team has put together a template specifically for Marywood University located in the Templates gallery at the top of the page. You can make edits to this template. Click the live view to see how the form will be displayed. If you would like to create a new form from scratch, click the blank button with the purple plus sign to start fresh. Give your form a title. You can also add a longer description of this form. Click on the palette in the upper right corner of the page to change the color and theme of your form. Add a themed image to your form by clicking the image icon. You can browse through Google's themes or add your own by clicking Upload Photos. Here, you can select a photo you want to feature as your form's theme. You can easily adjust your image. Click Select, and your image is featured at the top. Add questions or required information to your form. Google is pretty smart and will suggest the type of question for you. This can always be changed to your preference. Switch on the Required button by clicking it. If the required switch is turned on, the question must be answered in order to submit the form. Click on the plus icon to the right to add a question. You can also add a title and description, images, video, and sections to a question. Click the drop-down menu to change the type of question and answer format. You can also upload files to your form for respondents to view. This feature is only available using your MarywoodU account. Add multiple choice questions by typing in option 1. Add another choice by clicking Add Option. You can also allow an Other option. Clarify short titles of questions with a description. Rearrange questions by hovering over the 6 gray dots at the top of each question and dragging for a desired order. You can also add an email entry. By clicking on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, you can show a description and set a data validation. Click on Text in the first drop-down menu. In the Contains drop-down menu, click Email Address. This allows only valid email addresses to be accepted. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page to change the general and presentation settings. In general, you can collect email addresses, restrict to Marywood Gmail users, and limit to 1 response. You can allow respondents to edit the form after they submit it and see summary charts and the responses. In the presentation section, you have the following options above. Below those options, you can write a confirmation message that will appear when the respondent has completed the form. Click Save once you have made your changes. Click the Send button in the upper right corner of the page. Here you can send your form through an email. You can link your form to a web page by clicking the chain icon. Embed the form directly to your site to collect responses. This will require you to use dotCMS if you would like your form live on your site. Here's how. In dotCMS, lock your content for editing. Give your content a title. Be sure to include your department preface. Below the body section, change WYSIWYG to code. Paste the embed code you copied from Google Forms. Save and publish. Voila! Your form is now live on your site where respondents can easily fill it out. Remember to release the lock when you are finished. If you encounter any problems, please contact Web Development. Let's move on to accessing your form and responses in Google Drive. Go to where your Google Apps are located. Click on Drive. If Web Development created your form, it is located in the Shared With Me section. Here you can see your form and collected responses in a spreadsheet. You can also access your responses on the Forms page. You can see the number of responses here. You can view the summary of responses or each individual response. Email notification settings can be accessed by clicking the 3 gray dots in the Responses section of the form. If this setting is unchecked, you will need to review the spreadsheet for responses, as you will not be notified through email. Click on the green icon, which opens your spreadsheet. Here you can view every response that was submitted. You can also change email notifications in the spreadsheet. Simply hover over the Tools section. Select Notification Rules. Here, you can set when you want to receive responses through email notifications. Remember, you can access the spreadsheet anytime in Google Drive to view your responses. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to create and edit a Google form. For additional assistance, please contact Marywood University's friendly and helpful web staff.